Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, head swelling, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is positive action. Not only do we need you to act, we need to be in positivity. See, Scorpio, you feel everything. You're so intuitive. We don't need you to just to act, because sometimes we just need you to act so we can get results. But I need you now to react in a positive way, because you're going into a new season. You're about to be the superstar that you are. The stage is set. Just like the sun hits my face, the spotlight is ready to hit you. But we need you to be in a positive place. Positive energy can only bring positive blessings and manifestations and breakthrough. And you're at the place where you've been through all the trial tribulations. You've helped everybody. You helped yourself. Now it's time to promote yourself. Stay positive and make positive actions and believe in yourself, because believing in yourself will make your breakthrough. Trust the process. I focus on the beauty within me because there's so much beauty that you have, and that's why everyone is so attracted to you. And I find silence because you're at peace. You're a peaceful sign. That's why you're so effective, and you make great critical thinking ideas, decisions, mentally, physically, metaphorically. Like, you are very in tune, a very intelligent being. I live and honor the present by doing what I can now, and what I cannot change, I let go and entrust to God. You may want to do something today that is not working or giving you trouble, but maybe just let it go. Do what you can today, because tomorrow might be the day that what you wanted to do today will work, or maybe it'll be a day next week. Do what you can today and move on. Do not bury yourself with ideas of, I want to do it this day, I want it this moment. Everything does not go at the rate or the timing that we want it to, though everything is going to in our benefit at every moment. The right timing is very key, and we always don't have the right timing. We have the right ideas. So make sure that you take positive action. If things don't work today, try tomorrow. Try each and every day until it does work, but make sure you do something. If this doesn't work, move on to the next thing, because you're building an empire. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, I love you.